Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying which Pokémon actually require trading in other games and how Legends handles them. Open the Hisui Pokédex and read the evolution method. Once done, mark every species labeled trade. Make sure to note any listed alternative items, mission requirements, or special map locations, because Legends often replaces trading with a different trigger. Immediately gather that list. You will use it to prioritize which Pokémon needs specific items, requests, or conditions to evolve. Next, you assemble the actual triggers. If a species needs an item, craft or buy that stone now, use the crafting menu and stock up. Once done, pursue any NPC requests tied to those Pokémon, because completing a request often substitutes for trade. Also, make sure to plan trips to special locations at the right time of day or weather, since some evolutions require map-specific conditions. Keep items and completed request proof together. That eliminates backtracking when you perform the final evolution step. Finally, carry out the trigger. Equip the held item, use the evolution stone, finish the linked request, or travel to the required spot, and then level up or interact as indicated. Save first. If the evolution fails, reload and double-check that day/time, weather and quest flags are correct. If problems persist, open the Pokédex to reread the evolution line and revisit the NPCs who grant requests. Often a missed quest flag or one missing item is the culprit, so methodically confirm each requirement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.